Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. In this video, I am going to share about huge profitable project. Its name is Battle Buddy Token. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this token project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Battle Buddy Token. Battle Buddy Token, you can check here, contract address. We are live now, empowering veterans and first responders through cryptocurrency. Battle Buddy Token is a unique, serious meme cryptocurrency that aims to make a difference by supporting veterans and first responders through a transparent donation system. Experience the power of blockchain for a good cause. You are no longer alone. You have the Battle Buddies. And next guys, you can click this learn more button and see this further details. So we go to this project, about us and white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here about us. Battle Buddy Token is a dedicated to creating a meaningful impact for veterans and law enforcement. Our purpose extends beyond cryptocurrency, focusing on a transparent donation system that empowers our heroes. We believe in the potential of decentralized governance and responsible fund management, committing to become a non-profit organizations to serve our community better. At Battle Buddy Token, we are more than just a cryptocurrency. We are a mission-driven community dedicated to supporting veterans and first responders. Inspired by the value of service, sacrifice, and solidarity, Battle Buddy Token was created to harness the power of blockchain technology to revolutionize charitable giving. And next guys, you can download this white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this white paper. So guys, first of all, you can download now, then you can see this white paper. So downloading now, you can open this white paper PDF. So guys, you can check here Battle Buddy Token white paper PDF open. You can check here abstract detail, introduction, why Solana, talk to me detail about this project, community governance and fund disbursement. You can check here community driven donation disbursement, duration of disbursement. You can check here transition to 501 non-profit, why Battle Buddy Token. You can check here article. You can see this roadmap of this project. Phase 1 token launch 2025 and 2026, deployment of Battle Buddy Token on the Solana blockchain and initial token distributions, community of building efforts and awareness campaigns. Phase 2 first community driven donation 2026, legal establishment of a 501c non-profit organization. Phase 3 transition to 501c non-profit 2027. Phase 4 long-term sustainability 2028 to 2035. Number 7 conclusion. In the next guy, you can check here contact and community. You can check here official links of this project Battle Buddy Token. Guys, you can read carefully all detail about this project Battle Buddy Tokens. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here our mission and vision. Our mission, we believe that those who have dedicated their lives to protecting and serving others deserve unwavering support. Traditional fundraising efforts often suffer from inefficiencies and a lack of transparency. Battle Buddy Token aims to change that by leveraging Solana secure, fast, and low-cost blockchain to create a decentralized, community-driven donation system. And as you can check here our vision. Our vision is to build a sustainable, transparent, and impactful ecosystem where token holders actively participate in decision making. You can check here why we exist. You can read it carefully. Nesca, you can check here. You can join our mission. The Battle Buddy Token movement is open to anyone who believes in supporting those who have served. Whether you are a crypto enthusiast, a veteran, a first responder, or simply someone who wants to give back, you are welcome here. You can check here. You can get involved now. And Nesca, you can check here. We encourage you to read the white paper. Battle buddies don't keep secrets from one another on the field of battle or in our first responder jobs. We rely on each other to get through our next shift. So guys, you can check here white paper details and next we back to the home page. and see this further detail about this project. So guys, you can scroll down and check here about Better Buddy token is not just another meme token. Our mission is to empower and support the veterans and first responders. You can check here. Next guys, you can check here meaningful purpose. Contribute indirectly and interacting to supporting veterans and first responders through the world of cryptocurrency. Indirectly, direct donation soul. You can check here donation wallet, soul skin. You can see this, and next you can check here built on Solana. Better Buddy token is built on Solana blockchain due to its high speed, low fees, and scalability, making it ideal for efficient and cost-effective donation. Solana's high throughput ensure fast and seamless transaction, while its low cost structure allow more funds to go directly to veterans and first responders instead of being lost to high gas fees. You can check here detail. Next you can see these transparent operations. Transparent operations, Better Buddy token ensure full transparency by leveraging Solana blockchain ledger, where all transaction donations and funds allocations are publicly verifiable in real time. You can check here, you can get involved now, transfer operations, and next guys, you can check here, then we go to this project, Better Buddy token in DEX tool. So guys, you can check here, DEX tool, you can see this Better Buddy token price chart, you can see this price in up and down. You can get huge profit now. You can check here Better Buddy token price $0.041967. You can click this, okay, I got it, and then you can swap now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can enter your Solana amount, then you can see Better Buddy token now. And next we back to the home page, and next guys you can see this, we go to this project desk screener. So guys, you can click here and see this desk screener. You can check here price chart in desk screener, price up and down. You can see this price, market cap amount, liquidity amount, total volumes, total makers. You can check here all transaction details. And next guys, we back to the home page, and next guys we go to this project live chart on Phantom. So guys, you can see this Phantom Better Buddy token. You can check here price, you can see this live chart price up and down now. You can check here, you can download the Phantom wallet now. And next we back to the home page, and next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here Better Buddy token official Twitter page is here. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can scroll down and see this further detail about this project. You can check here, you can like and comment this post and tweet this post about this project Better Buddy token. You can check here, and next we back to the home page, and next guys we go to this project Telegram. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading, it's take time. Then you can check here Better Buddy token official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 477 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.